Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best portable welding machines in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best portable welding machines that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Hobart Handler 140 MIG welder. Designed and assembled in Troy, the Hobart 500,559 is what you need to tackle projects at hand. Yes, it is more expensive than most of the units we have already reviewed. But this should not be a concern in any way because it is worth the price. It is a super versatile tool that's ideal for anyone who wants to repair household items or auto body. The machine is also powerful enough to be used on much heavier farm projects, which need extra welding power. It operates on 115 volts household current and welds 24 gauge up to 1/4 inch mild steel. What's more, this machine is easy to set up with only a few minutes needed. This means after receiving it, you will be able to use it to accomplish missions in no time. Moving on at number 4. We have the Forney EZ Weld 299-125 FC Flux Core Welder. The Forney EZ Weld 299-125 FC Flux Core Welder is a great tool that works perfectly for DIYers and beginner welders. It is very easy to use and capable of welding 1/8 inch steel. Moreover, this flux core welder is available in innumerable sizes, including 2-pack, 3-pack, and, of course, welder. It accepts 2 and 10-pound spools and welds 24 gauge up to 1/4. In addition to getting the job done, the portable welding machine is within an affordable range. As such, you will be able to easily acquire it even when you are on a budget. At number 3. We have the HITBOX Arc Welder 200A Stick DC 220 volts inverter welding machine. Weighing just 6.3 pounds, this welding machine is portable, and, therefore, can be carried to any job site. It is also compact, considering that its dimensions are 9 by 4 by 4.9 inches. The compact size further increases its portability as well as making it much easier to store when it is not in use. The package that comes with this machine includes a cable plus electrode holder and cable plus earth clamp. Furthermore, this welding machine has an easy-to-start arc and little spatter. Plus it boasts stable current. It is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a unit to do projects on the farm, shop, and home. It runs off a standard 220 volts industrial input power and produces a welding range of 10-190A with 40% duty cycle. At number 2, we have the Amico ARC160D 160 amp welding soldering. Whether you are a professional or DIY enthusiast, the Amico ARC160D 160 amp welding soldering machine is for you. It boasts automatic compensation for overload protection, voltage fluctuation, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, and undervoltage protection. This machine also has an intelligent fan control system that works every time welding commences. By so doing, the fan helps cool components as well as reducing airborne contaminants that are pulled through the power source. The welding soldering machine works with all generators, and it is designed to deliver a perfect weld. It is a reliable welding tool, and that's because it is portable and comes equipped with high-strength components. Its other features include Steeples amperage control, advanced IGBT inverter technology, anti-sticking, and hot start, among others. And finally at number 1. We have the Goplus MIG 130 welding machine. A welding mask is an essential piece of gear for welders. That's why we are thrilled that this welding machine comes with one. Best of all, the cost of the machine seems to be an all-time low despite the inclusion of the mask. Another thing that impresses us is the fact that the welding machine is built with portability in mind. It is compact, hence, very easy to move around. Furthermore, the welding machine is made of a heavy-duty stainless steel body that is more than capable of standing up to high demands from professional welders and DIY enthusiasts. Another feature that improves the lifespan of this welding machine is the durable yellow paint. The machine boasts 4 levels of current flow settings that are adjusted by 4 buttons for max, min, 2, and 1. Portable welding machines are designed to make the life of welders easier than ever before. They can be carried to any job site for quick completion of projects. Nonetheless, not all of them are great. And that's where our reviews come into play. Here, we have enough research and compiled our findings in an orderly manner to help make it easier for you to know what to spend your hard-earned money on. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.